Hey everybody!
That was my line. Hey everybody!
So Captain,
Go ahead.
misunderstood.
So
Welcome back.
Yeah, this video.
And wait. Oh, go ahead.
No.
Hurry up.
I insist.
First of all, we want to thank everybody for subscribing, like, comments. Some of your comments are amazing, comical, and we really do appreciate you. Hopefully what we're doing helps you.
If you're subscribing for cooking, then check out the other channel listed in the description, because that's going to be devoted to cooking. If you're here more for DIY, then stay here. And but over the next few months, I'm going to be transitioning to posting videos, my cooking videos, on the cooking channel, Cooking with the Captain. So she's not in it as much, but she still shows up periodically.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
I have to try it. I'm the guinea pig.
She'll try anything.
Thank you, everyone.